Hey guys, it's Rita. So it is week 4 of the Nautical series, final week. My DIY today, I'm so sorry, but I lost all of the footage. I mean, every bit of it. But it's pretty simple. I will explain to you what I did, and then if you have questions, ask in the comments. At the end of this video, I will show you all of the DIYs that were included in the 4-week series. So let's just get right to it. I DIY'd this lamp, and it is a little dark in here. Let me see if I can get you closer. This was just a lamp that I picked up at Goodwill, this part, and I paid $2.50 for it. I painted it. It looks rustic, red, white, and blue. Not going for the 4th of July because this was the nautical theme, but it did match the fabric on the lampshade. So the lampshade, it's not exactly the best fit. I picked it up at Goodwill on another day, and I had some material from Walmart, which I just wrapped around and hot glued. It's not perfect, but I thought it looked pretty cute. So there is that, and if you have any questions about any of this, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Just ask in the comments. So let me show you all of the items that were created in the 4-week series. Okay guys, so here it is. I'm sorry I can't turn the lamp on for you where I have it staged. There's not a plug here. So it does work though. So the lamp is the DIY for today that I lost the footage on, but hey, there it is. And then I believe the first one was the anchor, not the anchor, oh my goodness. I guess it's a life raft. It's a wreath looking thing. So anyway, sorry about this. Welcome aboard, and I've got the number 21 on it. The second DIY was these cooking utensils from the Dollar Tree that I painted and Mod Podged some pictures on there. And the little boat was included with that video as well, and that was just a toy boat from Dollar Tree. And then the third was the coasters, of course. Those are tiles that I picked up at Home Depot, 8 cents a piece. Printed off some pictures that I liked and just Mod Podged them on there. Very simple, and also included some felt pads on the bottom. I believe you can buy corkboard, and I think someone mentioned that in a comment, and thank you so much. I had seen that, but I hadn't got out to buy it. So next time I make coasters, I'm going to try that. So anyway, guys, here is the 4-week series all together. I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you to create. And I thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join my family. Like, share, and comment, and I will see you in the next video.